Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Bands and welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to be making my cream cheese stuffed pumpkin muffins. Is that what? Yeah. My keto pumpkin muffins that have a cream cheese filling. That's what it is. So they're super delicious and they're easy and they're perfect for fall, even if you don't love pumpkin. I don't love pumpkin, and these are amazing. So I will show you how we do it right now. Keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix cream cheese with this sweetener here. This is powdered Lakanto sweetener. It's my favorite low carb sweetener. So we're going to mix this up with a hand mixer until it's smooth. And you want to make sure you soften cream cheese. Okay, that looks good. We're going to set that aside. Okay, now we can work on the main muffin part. And I've already got the muffin tins. I've got them lined and I've sprayed the insides with cooking spray. Got my oven preheated to 350. So now we're going to make the rest of the pumpkin muffin stuff. So I've got almond flour and I'm going to add in some salt. I'm going to do the dry ingredients. This is baking powder. Or is it baking soda? Baking soda. Then I've also got cinnamon and nutmeg. This recipe does not use pumpkin pie spice, and I really don't think it needs it. If you use the cinnamon and the nutmeg, you're good. You could use pumpkin pie spice if you want. So I've got my granulated sweetener. So let's mix all of these dry ingredients. And then we're going to continue with the wet. So we've got melted butter, egg, vanilla extract, and of course pumpkin puree. So let's stir all this up, and that is all there is to these pumpkin muffins. These are only 3 net carbs per muffin. And they freeze really well. You just stick them in the freezer, and whenever you want one, pull one out and let it thaw, and it will be ready to go. Okay, our batter is nice and smooth, so I'm going to use my cookie scoop or ice cream scoop. It's a good size ice cream scoop. This one is a number 16, and it's the perfect for muffins. It's super, makes them super evenly distributed, and I don't know, perfect muffins. So we're gonna fill these muffin cups almost all of the way full. And this is 12 muffins, the perfect amount of batter for 12 muffins. So now I'm just gonna make a little divot in the muffins. You don't have to do this. These are kind of domed up, so I'm gonna make a little divot. Just kind of flatten the tops a little bit. And now I've got this other little scooper that I'm going to use to scoop out the cream cheese mixture on top. And then we're going to swirl it with a couple of toothpicks. If you don't have one of these, you can just use a spoon. I originally did just use a spoon, but I thought this would work even better. Okay, I'm just going to smush this in here a little bit more. And you can see that these cupcake liners are pretty full, but these cupcakes don't really rise too much. So now I'm just going to swirl the cheesecake into the pumpkin mixture, and then they will bake perfectly. You can also use a butter knife for this. So you can see I'm really just stirring the mixture in with these 2 toothpicks. Okay, this is what they look like when they are ready for the oven. So let's get them cooking. Okay, our pumpkin muffins are out of the oven and they look amazing. So let's pull one out of here. Carefully go out. And look at that, the paper doesn't stick. Let me see if I can open one up without breaking it. Oh, look at that, that looks perfect. These are so good, they freeze perfectly. Just stick them in the freezer, and when you want to have one, just pull it out and let it thaw on the countertop, and then it's ready to go. You can find the recipe down in the description below, the full recipe, and the link is there if you want to click the link and have a printable recipe. And I hope you try these pumpkin muffins. They are super delicious, even if you don't like pumpkin. I don't like pumpkin and I love these. And I will see you guys later. Bye.